Hey everyone! With the release of iOS 18.1.1, many users are noticing faster battery drain. Don't worry, this is common with updates, and I'll show you how to fix it with a few tips. First, if your battery seems to drain quickly right after updating, Apple recommends waiting a few days. But if things don't improve after a few days, here's what you can do. Start by ensuring your iOS version is up to date. Open Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update. If a new version is available, install it. It often includes fixes for bugs and battery issues. Next, consider turning off haptics to save power. Open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. Here, find the haptics option and choose either Never Play or Play in Silent mode. Reducing vibrations can make a noticeable difference in battery usage. Now let's adjust the screen distance feature. Return to the Settings main menu, tap Screen Time, and look for Screen Distance. Make sure it's turned off. While this feature helps you avoid holding the phone too close, it can consume additional battery power. Finally, minimize the use of cellular data whenever possible. Switch to Wi-Fi, it's much more energy efficient. Using cellular data constantly can quickly drain your battery, so keep it in mind when you're out and about. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.